Hello everyone, this is Kara from DEK Designs. So today I wanted to do one of our personal kits in July on my Webster's pages. So we're going to do the week of July 8th to the 14th because in here the weeks do start on Sunday. But first I wanted to show you the difference between our old matte paper and our new premium matte paper. So there's quite the difference in just how vivid the colors are. It's just beautiful. It's very, very vibrant. So I already started by first applying the washi. So I always get my kits punched. And so I will begin with the washi. Now this kit's called Lady in Red, and it is available in any planner size. I'm a bit of a perfectionist when it comes to my layouts, by the way. So at the end, I'll be cutting the excess off. And then also, throughout the video, I will keep this here, but this is where you can find these kits, or this kit Lady in Red, dekdesigns.com, and if your purchase is $15 or more, you can save 30% on that entire purchase using my code HART30, and it will save you the 30% on the entire purchase, which is awesome if you're like me and love to save money. So I usually just place these randomly throughout. And I don't always do all these the same either. Usually all my layouts are a little different from each other. And if anyone requests it, I can always go through and do a quick flip through to show how I do my kits differently. So with this being in a Webster's pages, but these are actually Recollections layout. It's really nice. I love the layout of how everything is. Just gonna close this so I don't have to worry about them slipping out. And I will be fixing that in a little bit. So these personal kits come with lots of different fun things to use. So I generally like to use the checklist boxes on every other, and then I use the flags on every other as well. But this does have enough to use them on everyone, so I do tend to go back and spread things throughout. So I would be curious as to other personal layouts, if anyone watching does have one, as to how you do yours and what kinds of planners you have. I've personally just loved my Webster's pages since the day I have it. I've gotten it because I use it all the time and always have it with me. Whereas my EC does fit in my purse, but it's getting a little fat now. So there are those. And then here we have the checklists or flags. And I tend not to like to use the same color like one after another, but in this one I love how vibrant the reds are, so I'm just gonna do it. So you got the bright red and then you got a darker red here. And I'm just gonna throw one on here because Tuesdays tend to be pretty busy. And I do like to leave a little space above them so that I can write in or put like one of the headers on there. So like here we have the today headers and this week, but we also have these. So I'm gonna use these on a couple, but I'm also gonna use the today headers. So I'll use the today headers above my checklist boxes. And this kit is located under the non-foil kit section on dekdesigns.com. You can also find it on Plan to Be Fab on Etsy, which is our Etsy branch of DEK. The Etsy site tends to be 40% off at all times, so in order to get my freebie sampler for Plan to Be Fab on Etsy, you just have to drop my name and you will receive that. So up here I'm just gonna do like a longer checklist for things like groceries, stuff like that. And I'm going to top it off with one of these so I can fill it in with whatever I please. And this is my last checklist box, so I'm just going to put it right up here just because I don't like those ugly lines. So far, that's what we've got. We'll do the remaining headers here. So I'm just going to leave this part lifted so I can cut that off so it doesn't run over that picture there. And I'll do one more checklist here just because I got some extra space. And once again, this can be for really anything. Shopping list, what have you. Weekend. I love diagonals because then I'm not all OCD about it being straight. And just kind of fill in this empty space here. It's remarkable how easy it is to stick and unstick these. I love it. This new paper is amazing. And one last envelope for fun. So once I have like the whole month decorated, then I'll go back through and I'll be putting the numbers in. So this is what I have for the week of July 4th. And this is Boulder Bond. And then this is what I have for the month of July, which is various stickers. So next thing I'll be doing, and I need to go get it in order to do it, is I'll be doing precision cutting. So I don't have it with me at the moment, but I will put a ruler right on these lines right here, and then I have a scalpel that I go through and I chop that right off, so it's the perfect lines. So here's what I have for the week of July 8th through the 14th. And this kit is Lady in Red from DEK Designs. So they come in all shapes and sizes. You can get them at dekdesigns.com. And with your purchase of $15 or more, you can save 30% off your entire order. So thank you again for watching. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments, or any comments on how I can improve my Plan With Me's, since this is my second one I've ever done. Please leave them in the comments. I love feedback. So thank you so much for your time. Thank you for watching, and happy planning.